Hey everyone, have you ever wondered what your body really needs to stay energized, strong, and healthy every single day? It's not just about calories, trendy diets, or the latest superfoods. Your body depends on 6 essential nutrients, the true heroes behind everything from your energy levels to your brain power. In today's video, we're breaking down the 6 basic nutrients: water, vitamins, protein, fats, minerals, and carbohydrates. We'll look at what each one does, how they keep you alive and thriving, and why balancing them is so important. Whether you're trying to lose weight, boost your immunity, or simply feel better, overall this video is for you. Let's dive in and nourish your body from the inside out. 1. Water. Let's start with the nutrient that makes up more than 60% of your body water. Even if you stopped eating, you could survive for a while, but without water, not a chance. Your organs, brain, digestion, and even your cells rely on water to function. Water dissolves nutrients, flushes out toxins, and keeps everything running smoothly. When you don't drink enough, you may experience headaches, dizziness, dry skin, constipation, trouble focusing, low energy because your brain is about 75% water. Dehydration can affect your mood, memory, and mental clarity. 2. Vitamins. Vitamins protect you from illnesses, support immunity, and help your body function properly. Although there are 13 essential vitamins, 4 are especially important. Vitamin A, healthy vision, and strong immunity. Vitamin B6, brain development and nerve function. Vitamin C, wound healing and antioxidant power. Vitamin D, calcium absorption and strong bones. A lack of vitamins can lead to issues like fatigue, weak immunity, skin problems, and vision troubles. On the positive side, maintaining healthy vitamin levels lowers the risk of chronic diseases, strengthens your defenses, and even supports longevity. Their antioxidant properties also protect your cells from harmful free radicals. 3. Protein. Protein is the nutrient that gets the most hype, and for good reason. It's the building block of your entire body. Your muscles, bones, skin, hair, tissues, hormones, and antibodies all depend on protein. It makes up about 16% of the average person's body weight. Proteins are made from amino acids, and your body needs them for metabolism, tissue repair, muscle maintenance, feeling full longer, supporting healthy weight loss. This is why nutritionists always recommend protein-rich foods like meat, eggs, legumes, or grains. 4. Fats. Fat's the nutrient most people try to avoid. But here's the truth. Your body needs fat. Too much can raise health risks. Yes. But the right amount and the right kind of fats are essential. Healthy fats help your body absorb vitamins A, D, E, and K, build cell membranes, improve muscle movement, support brain function, reduce the risk of heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Omega-3 fatty acids, for example, have been linked to better mood and cognitive performance. So instead of cutting fats completely, focus on healthy sources like nuts, seeds, avocados, and fish. 5. Minerals. When you hear minerals, you might think of calcium, but minerals also include iron, zinc, and many more. Here's what these 3 do. Calcium, strong bones, nerve communication, blood pressure regulation. Zinc, faster healing, stronger immunity, better metabolism. Iron builds red blood cells and supports hormone production. Low mineral levels can cause fatigue, weak immunity, slow healing, and brittle bones. Leafy greens, nuts, seeds, legumes, and dairy products are great mineral sources. 6. Carbohydrates. Even with the world moving toward low-carb diets, carbs remain one of your body's most important fuel sources. Carbs power your brain's central nervous system. Muscles' daily energy needs focus on complex carbs like fruits, vegetables, oats, quinoa, and whole grains. They digest slowly, keep your energy steady, support digestion, and help manage weight. Fiber-rich carbs also regulate blood sugar, prevent constipation, and keep you full longer. Closing sore, you're getting enough of these essential nutrients. And be honest, are you drinking enough water every day? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And while you're here, go ahead and check out one of the videos on your screen. We've got plenty more great content waiting for you.